In this tutorial, we will learn about how to draw text. So text are basically English alphabets or any symbols in drawing that are used to show additional features or dimension or any detail of the drawing. So we can find this text command, the sketch mode and text. So first we will have to go to sketch mode, select a plane, then I will select text command. So in text we have some options. Curve if we want to give any reference, or here is the text. Suppose I type the text Solidworks, and in our working space we can find that it is showing the Solidworks word. And now we have to change the setting of this word. We have some options down there, such as link to property, bold. I click on this bold, it will create. Okay, first let me select this word and then make them bold, then italic, rotate, etc. If we want to change the size of this font, we have to select, uncheck this use document font, uncheck this, and this A sign shows the height of this text. If I increase this value, clicking on this arrow, it will selecting its width, and if I select this AB, it will select the value of it, the value of gap between these words. Okay, then we can select font. In this font we can change the style or type of our font. The first is font type. We can select any type of font, whichever we want. After that we have font style, regular, italic, bold, italic, etc. We can make them bold. Then we have unit of height, that is height, and that is the point value or the point of text height, and click OK. This way we draw text and click OK. Another type of drawing the text is draw the text according to the reference. Suppose we have an arc. I draw an arc from this end point to this point. Okay, we have to do it again. Escape. Draw an arc from this end point. Okay, this is the second end point. Okay, this is the arc we have. Then click OK. We want to draw some text on this arc, so we have to select text, and in the reference we have to select this arc, then type the text. Suppose I type Dassault Systems, and we can see in this preview these texts are now on this existing arc. So we just have to change the settings of this, its height or gap between fonts to make them proper. So we can change the value of this font height. Suppose I make this font 36.36. okay, and then we can increase the space, so to make them proper, just and click OK. This way we can draw text.